The makers of this test want you bored, because a bored student can't catch the details because they can't concentrate. Simply put, reason number 2 people miss questions on this business is that they are bored because the passages are boring, so that you can't concentrate. And then you make stupid mistakes because you're bored, because the passages are boring, because they want you bored, because the bored student will make stupid mistakes because they can't concentrate, because the passages are boring. Quick question. You ever catch yourself reading the same line 3 or 4 times? I know, me too. I'm going to teach you an easy technique that you can use in a little bit that'll help you kind of reset the attention span on your mind so that you can actually start with a clean attention span when you go into those paragraphs. Also, if you have problems retaining the information you have read from a paragraph, well, I'd like to offer you some advice there as well, but we'll get to that in a little bit. So, don't panic. We are here to help you. With this in mind, reason number 3 people miss questions actually has to do with how they phrase the answer choices in these questions. And again, if you are like most people in your experiences with this test, you have probably been able to eliminate 3 answer choices, only to find that the 2 that were left over were really tough to sort out or pick one of the 2, and as a result you end up guessing, or you can't decide and you guess wrong. Well, as I mentioned earlier, being up between 2 answers is not a bad place to be. The problem is when you can't decide. Oh, that was awful. Sometimes you might not even be sure whether the correct answer is still there. That's a bigger problem. I'm down to 2 answer choices and, oh gosh, what if I eliminated the correct answer already? At that point, making a decision is going to be even tougher because you got rid of the right answer. So to recap, reason number 1 people miss questions, they simply run out of time. Reason number 2 they miss questions is that they're bored because the passages are boring and they can't concentrate. And of course, reason number 3 people miss questions, they're up between 2 answers and they can't decide. Of course, I'm going to help you with all of these 3 issues and also give you some extra advice for what to do when you catch yourself reading the same line 2 or 3 times over and how to retain more information from a paragraph when you read.